Welcome to Platinum Integrations. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to talk about export finance and risk management. In many ways, those two are fairly distinct aspects of management. But what we'll do in the next 5 minutes is really try and bring those two together and what services we at Platinum Integrations offer to our clients. So how do we operate? Well, our main aspect here is to ensure you take full charge of exactly what relationships you're trying to build. Now, we do that by explaining precisely what you are engaging in, what are the different aspects, what are the common language terms that are being used. We would like to demystify what letters of credit mean, for example. What does forfeiting mean? All these aspects which help you to raise finance in terms of your exports, we will make sure you understand comprehensively what is involved from A to Z and really help you along that process. We as experts can help you raise finance as well as educate and inform you of all the important aspects to that. So what is export finance? Of course, when companies try and grow, they try and grow internationally, and that means they have to export their merchandise, their goods, to importers overseas. And that's when we come across all sorts of jargon. We come across ECGD, forfeiting, invoice discounting. The list goes on and on. And what we try and do at Platinum Integrations is really to try and familiarize you with what those jargons mean. We demystify all the keywords. We then try and explain to you how you can obtain the financial assistance to really help your business receive the working capital and the long-term finance it needs to make relationships with partners overseas. So what is financial risk management? Well, of course, when you're trading with partners overseas, that brings with you risks. You don't quite understand the commercial viability of your trading partners. You may not understand how to organize payments in foreign currencies. You may not understand the various instruments that are available to minimize the currency risk that comes with trading overseas. So we at Platinum Integrations assist you to understand all those aspects and to try and manage your business in a risk pragmatic way. You know, you may have a attitude to risk which says you don't like taking risks, and we will therefore try and explain to you how you may manage your risk profile in terms of your risk appetite. So what are the factors that you want to consider when you are trading with a partner overseas? Well, of course, you need to understand the credit worthiness of the partner. You need to understand the political environment and if there are any risks which come with that environment. You need to have all sorts of instruments in place to manage and hedge the risk. And we at Platinum Integrations take a holistic view. We try and understand your requirements, and we will then try and tailor our solutions to what you need. We have a risk management offering, which in this case actually sits very well with foreign exchange and export finance. So what are the typical risks that come with trading overseas? Well, of course, you need to understand the political environment, the country in which you trade. Is it stable? Is it going to provide undue risk to you? What about the buyer? Your trading partner, is he commercially viable? What's his credit worthiness? What about payments? What currency will you receive the funds in? Will they be in pound sterling if you're a UK supplier business, or will it be in different currencies? If it is different currencies, then you will need to translate those currencies into your home currency, in this case perhaps UK pounds. And if that's the case, you need to use certain instruments, foreign exchange, forward contracts, or forward options. There are several aspects to this, and we will familiarize you with the benefits, the strengths, the weaknesses that come with different styles of trading, and then we will help you make the right decision for you based on your risk appetite. So what is financial risk management? Well, many businesses, many experts, many people talk about mitigating risk, eliminating risk, optimizing risk. These are all different aspects of looking at how you manage the uncertainty that comes with trading overseas. One of the uncertainties represents itself in payments. You may contract to receive funds in 12 months' time, but of course you don't know what the exchange rate will be in 12 months' time. And if the markets turn against you, then it can have a market effect on your bottom line. So we are in a position to advise you on the different foreign exchange instruments that are available to manage and mitigate your risk. Managing meaning you know precisely what funds will come in and at what exchange rate, be it in 6 months, 12 months' time, and this will help you manage your margins.